In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a summary page of tags. If you use tags in OneNote to flag to-dos, questions, or key points, a summary page pulls all those tagged items into one easy-to-scan place. This is a great way to prepare for meetings, gather follow-ups, or get a quick status overview without flipping through multiple pages. Start in the OneNote desktop app. With your notebook open, look to the top of the window and click the Home tab on the ribbon. On that tab, find the Find Tags button. When you click it, OneNote opens the Tag Summary pane on the right side of your screen. This pane collects every tagged item it can find based on the search area you choose. Before creating the summary page, set the search scope so you get exactly what you need. In the Tag Summary pane, choose the scope that makes sense for your situation. If you're preparing a broad roundup, select Notebook so OneNote searches the entire notebook. If you only want a focused list from a single section or page, switch the scope accordingly. Picking the right scope keeps your summary precise and prevents it from being cluttered with unrelated notes. Once you've set the scope, you're ready to generate the page. In the Tag Summary pane, click Create Summary Page. OneNote instantly builds a new page that lists your tagged items. You'll see your results grouped and labeled with each entry showing the tag icon, the tagged text, and a link back to the original note. That means you can skim the summary, then jump straight to the full context with a single click. Think of this summary as a snapshot of what the pane found at that moment. If you add or remove tags later, the existing summary page won't update automatically. To refresh it, run the same process again. Open the Tag Summary pane, set your scope, and create a new summary page. Many people like to keep the latest version and archive older ones for reference. To keep things tidy, consider placing your summary page in a dedicated section or adding a date in the page title so you can track when it was created. You can also print or share the page like any other OneNote content, which is handy when you're distributing action items after a meeting. And that's it. By using the Home tab, find tags, choosing the right search scope, and clicking Create Summary Page, you'll have a clear, clickable overview of every important tag in your notes.